Unlock the secret to radiant and healthy skin with nature's own elixir, aloe vera. Say goodbye to skincare woes and hello to a glowing complexion as we delve into the magical world of aloe vera's soothing and revitalizing powers. Your journey to flawless skin starts here. What's aloe vera? Let's have a fun chat. Enter aloe vera, the caped crusader of the plant world. It's like Mother Nature's very own skincare wizard, packed with cool potions to make your skin go, wow. Benefits of aloe vera in skincare: hydration oasis. Aloe vera is like a refreshing drink for your skin. It hydrates without making your face feel like an oil spill. Enough of that time for action. Let's go. Acne Avenger, pimples, meet your match. What you need to do is cut it first. Do this and trust me, you will see results in 7 days or less. Just like that. Now you need to get something to cut it on. So rinse them with water and let's go. Follow my lead. You need to cut off the sides and a portion in the middle. After that, rub it on your face gently to minimize itching. Do this and trust me, you will see results in 7 days or less. As we wrap up this journey into the wonderful world of aloe vera, remember that skincare is self-care. Embrace the magic of nature, pamper your skin, and let the glow within reflect on the outside. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more skincare adventures and share the aloe vera love. Comment below with your favorite skincare tips or any questions you might have. Until next time, stay radiant and embrace the beauty within.